unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Educating teenagers about the risks of precum and pregnancy involves clear, factual communication. Start by explaining what precum is and debunk myths surrounding it, emphasizing that it can lead to pregnancy under certain circumstances. Use engaging and interactive methods like workshops, visual aids, and real-life testimonials. Stress the importance of using contraceptives effectively and consistently, and encourage open discussions where teenagers feel safe to ask questions and express concerns. Providing accurate information and creating a supportive environment are key to effective education on this topic.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.